Going through Paris, heading to the volleyball game. This is the crowd through the metro line. Wow. Paris Olympics 2024. Let's sneak peek. Hi guys. Say hi babe. You guys, I don't have any voice because of the race yesterday. My voice is gone. I have no voice left. I screamed so much yesterday. I have no voice, but today is just babe and I out in the streets, and we're heading to the beach volleyball game at the Eiffel Tower. We just arrived in Paris, in the city where the stadium is, under the Eiffel Tower, and there is a sea of people heading in the same direction. But of course, I'm still representing in my Jamaica shirt because it doesn't matter what it, no matter what it is, I'm still representing Jamaica. So heading to the volleyball game, and then we're gonna probably find something else to do and then head home. We're not spending the entire day in the city today because Auntie's home with the two kids alone. So we don't want to put too much pressure on Tata. So we'll be heading back home. But anyway, it should be a good experience. There's so much people out here. So enjoy the rest of the vlog if I get to show you guys anything else. Anyway, look in front of me. People heading to the same place. As far as the eyes can see, there's people. What a beauty. It never gets old. Look, see the elevator going up? This is how we didn't know if it was working or not. Beach volley.
La, la, la.
I'm sure it's private. Now when I'm coming back, I need a photo at the Eiffel Tower with my flag. What a memorable experience. No, I don't want to hang my flag at the top. Ah?
Entrance 3.
Entrance 3, stand B. It's right in front of us.
It's the same entrance everywhere, families can go. It's the hospitality day.
Beach volley is going on under the Eiffel Tower, which is right there. watch the games.
He's here. He did it.
Nardia and I'm gonna tag her TikTok famous. And I'm gonna tag your Instagram so you guys can find him. Bye! Look at this girl. Look at Sarah. The atmosphere before the 100-meter finals here in Paris at the Jamaica House. Look at that. There we go. Now I'm going to buy patty from Marcin before the 100-meter finals kicks off.
It's a good effort. No, not to be a medal.
Ready? Yes. The family, Babe and his uncle and his aunt. Usually we would have auntie and her husband, but he's sick, so he's staying at his brother while we took over his home. He's so sweet, so that we wouldn't get sick. So it's our last evening. Let me clean the cameras a bit. It's our last evening not going to the stadium today, so we decided to spend it with auntie and uncle. This evening, heading to a restaurant to have dinner. You guys hear my voice still gone from yesterday screaming for the 100 meters. Tomorrow, we will be heading to the stadium for the last time before we head back home. So tomorrow we won't have time to go to the family, so we're doing that today. So that's what we're doing. And this is my outfit of the evening. Top, skirt, sneakers. Yeah. Heading out for the evening. Have some good dinner. Anyway, guys, love you. See you guys later. Another day in Paris. Olympic 2024 series.
C'est normal, mais j'ai deux poulets. Un poulet chimichurri et un poulet au jus.
Non, il y en a plein.
C'était lequel? Celui au jus? Chimichurri, ok, super.
Put your stick clean. Put your portion little soft.
Yeah, it's always liquid. C'est carré. C'est carré, c'est gratuit.
Everybody's eating. The best creme brulee there is. What did hi guys. I took out my phone and before I start recording, babe say hi guys, because you know that's what I'm gonna say. Good morning, good morning.